And I wore this sweater just for you.
I appreciate it. It's very festive.
Hey, Kristen.
Hi, Kristen Stewart with Three Little Birds.
Well, with Christmas being just a couple of days away from now, if you're like me, you haven't even started wrapping your gifts yet. And today we're talking about tips on how you can just recycle things around the house and use that as gift wrapping.
So if you don't feel like going out to buy wrap or you don't have wrap at home, you can always use something literally as simple as a paper shopping bag. This bag is great because it has a pattern on the front. We actually use that pattern to wrap this box, which we think turned out super cute. If all you have are the infamous plastic shopping bags,
I know that bag well. That bag comes to my house a lot.
you can use this to wrap the gift, or we were even successful in making a cute little pom-pom, which we decided fit pretty perfectly on a bottle of wine or champagne, just to make that a little more festive. Yes, the gift wrapping is great, but you're giving these gifts to people who love you. So if it's not wrapped, it won't be the end of the world.
That's right, and that's the route that I take every single year. I'm like, do you love me or not? Here it is.